there, Turkish Kebabs here, and again I am here to do an unboxing of the Blackberry 9810 in white. So there's nothing in it. But they don't really say much on there, but I'm not even going to focus, at no point. Let's just get straight to the unboxing. Okay, so here we have the phone. That's the manual, I believe. We have earphones. A cloth. What's this for? It looks like a wall adapter. Another one for other countries, I'm guessing. USB cable and a battery. But the main thing, of course, is the phone. So let's get to the phone. So here's the 9810. As you can see, the bottom's in chrome, so there's the side. Lovely jubbly there. The back is like so. It's like the back's got like a cross effect. Trackpad. This is actually quite nice. You get that chrome here and here layered. Same keyboard as standard Blackberries. That's the other side. And yeah, that's just about it. Thanks for watching my unboxing, and yeah, please comment, rate and subscribe. Subscribe button up there, so make sure you hit that, and peace out, guys.